Hi, in this video let me show you how to enable sport mode on your Altima 6th gen from 2019 to 2025. Well, now I'm on park. Let me put myself in drive. Okay, right now you see it's D. If I press the sport mode button, there will be an S beside the D. This indicates that sport mode is enabled. To remove it, press again on the button and there will only be a D. You can definitely feel a difference with the sport mode enable. The shift pattern, especially from 0 to 60, are a bit more tight, and it gives you a small boost in case you're on the highway. If you're driving in the city, there's no point of putting the sport mode. The car is fast enough and you probably won't even notice much difference. But on a highway, when you need full power to pass people, when you're on an on-ramp, well, this is when this could be very useful. It will use more gas, but it's nice to have. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.